All right, hello teachers. Very, very soon our students are going to be heading off to the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium to take part in the 7th grade Columbus Zoo project. If you are unfamiliar with this project, here's a brief that explains how it works. Each pair of students is going to get one of these pages that is copied front and back. They are going to be gathering this information about two different animals that live in the same biome. So all the 7th grade students learned this year about what biomes are, and there are 8 of them. We're going to be putting a map, a world map of where all these biomes are found, available electronically, so that students, when they're roaming through the zoo and they're not really sure what biome this is, or is this animal from that biome, they can quickly look it up and they can see a map there, and they'll be able to determine, oh yeah, that's tropical grasslands, otherwise sometimes known as savanna. So kids are going to be going through the zoo. You're going to be taking them around to these different places, and they're looking for 2 animals that live in the same biome. They're going to fill this out. And then once this page is filled out, they're free to, roam the rest of the zoo without having to worry about gathering any information. When they get back here from the zoo, they are going to be taking the information from these 2 animals. They're going to pick 3 adaptations from both of these animals, and they're going to mesh them together. And they're going to create kind of like a super animal. And they're going to give it a fun name, and they're going to add a 3D component to this, and they're going to draw it on a rather large piece of paper. They're going to color it and going to make it look nice. That's going to go in the hallway. So it's kind of like a Frankenstein's monster super animal made from 3 of each of the characteristics from the 2 animals that they collected. That goes in the hallway. And then, as you'll see in the information provided for you, there will be an opportunity for them to do a bit of claim and evidence writing. And basically every student, every pair of students is going to be given an environmental change. So if the students picked an animal that was from the tundra biome, for example, there's a paper in your information in your packet, it's blue, and it says tundra. And then next to it, it lists, well, something about this environment changed, and this is what that was. Students are supposed to take that environmental change, and they're supposed to think about, based on how we created our super animal, would our animal survive this environmental change? Yes or no, and why? Both the students' names will go on this paper. They will write out this paragraph, the 2-paragraph, short claim and evidence writing piece. They will write their English language arts teachers' names on them, and then you will collect them, and then we'll tell you what to do with those here coming up very, very soon. So this is a science grade, and it is an English language arts grade. All of this should be done in the one day that we go visit the zoo. If students choose to stay behind and not go physically to the zoo, they can get the information by going online and filling out this paper here. So they can still do the project, and they're still expected to do the project, even if they don't attend the zoo. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to come find me, and I look forward to seeing everybody there. Have a great day.